Fancy learning Welsh the easy way? So do I. Let's do it together.
Hello again, Simai. Welcome to another episode of Learning Welsh with Will. And in this episode we'll be learning 2 phrases that can come in very handy when you're a Welsh learner. Now the first phrase is to let people know that you are learning Welsh and thus encourage them to speak Welsh with you. And the second phrase is for when you haven't quite understood what they've said. So you can tell them you haven't understood and this will allow them to clarify things for you. So our first phrase is Dwi'n dysgu Cymraeg. I am learning Welsh. Dwi'n dysgu Cymraeg. Now you can improve the phrase slightly by adding the word siarad, which means speak. Dwi'n dysgu siarad Cymraeg. I am learning to speak Welsh. Dwi'n dysgu siarad Cymraeg. If you haven't quite understood what people are saying to you, simply respond with, sorry, dwi ddim yn deall. Sorry, I don't understand. Sorry, dwi ddim yn deall. So there you go, 2 handy phrases you can use. Well, that's all from this episode, but have fun with your Welsh and I'll see you next time. Hwyl fawr i chi.